Bellwether is a leading installer of James Hardie in Colorado. We're also a leading installer of Pella in Colorado. One of the things that makes Bellwether a top contractor in Colorado is that we've chosen to intentionally align with high quality brands like James Hardie and Pella. Those two companies provide not only durable, high quality products, but they offer the consumer a ton of value. Bellwether cares a lot about your home. We care about quality, but we also care about your pocketbook. We want to provide you with a product that is affordable, as well as being durable, something that's going to have an incredible lifetime warranty and it's going to last. Bellwether is also committed to customer satisfaction. When I say that, we are really 100% committed to customer satisfaction. Bellwether cares a lot about your home, but we care a lot about you as a customer. That's why Bellwether has a lifetime workmanship warranty that's actually transferable if you ever sell your home. You're gonna get transparent and proactive communication throughout your project. When we come out to look at your house to do what we call a pre-construction meeting, we're gonna create a text thread for you where you're gonna be able to reach out to us. We're gonna give you all of our contact information. We're gonna make it really easy to communicate. Every project includes a personalized approach. We're gonna make sure that you feel valued throughout the process. We understand that working on your home can be really nerve-wracking, can be anxiety-provoking. We get that, but we've gone down this path a lot of times. We're gonna guide you through it and be right there to help alleviate those anxieties, help you have confidence in us, have confidence that you made the right decision for your home. Excellence is one of Bellwether's core values. We're a veteran-owned business. Excellence is baked into our DNA. Something I learned early on in boot camp was the importance of excellence. We care a lot about your home. We care about doing things right. We're gonna come out and we're going to protect your house by putting up the best products, giving you the best quality, the best communication. Everything that we do needs to be excellent.